So I would say that I disagree with the death penalty. I think that there can be too much mistakes that can be made, and we could accidentally put someone who's innocent to death, which in our course we um, went over a couple that of cases that did that exact thing. So I don't think we should allow the government to have that power of choosing who's deserves to live or die. Um, I think that's what matters most is um, fairness. I don't think it's fair for one person or the government or anyone to decide who gets to live or die, and um, I think there's too much human error to it as well. One of the other parts of ethics that I chose was utilitarianism. Um, Most people use it to say that um, it's a good thing, or the death penalty is justified because it says it gives the greatest good. But I don't think the death penalty does. There's not um, enough proof or evidence saying that it prevents people from committing crimes. There's just not enough, I guess, statistics or anything proving that the death penalty does the most good in the long run or anything like that. The case that I chose was the Brian Kober. He killed like four college students up in Moscow, Idaho. The reason I chose this one was, it was a pretty big thing. I remember this happening and remember like the trial and everything, or all the news reports and stuff. So I chose it because it was local to Idaho. It's something that I remember happening, and I remember it being a pretty horrific thing that he did. But even that, I still don't believe that he should get the death penalty or should have gotten the death penalty. With what I've said before, I don't think it's the government's right or job to decide who lives or dies, and that's exactly what happens in this case, of him getting the death penalty and things like that. So I still, with that, I guess, logic, I would say he shouldn't get the death penalty. So